Have you ever had a dream so vivid, you wish you could show it to someone? What if you could? What if every fleeting thought, every half-formed story, every ghost of a melody in your mind could be brought to life, instantly, in perfect detail? Welcome to the dawn of the AI Dream Factory, a place where imagination is no longer bound by human hands. Just a few years ago, this was science fiction. Today, it's our reality. We are witnessing the birth of a new kind of creation. It starts with a simple prompt, a whisper of an idea, a lonely astronaut discovering a cosmic garden on a dead moon. Seconds later, AI algorithms don't just generate an image. They compose a symphony, write a screenplay, and render a fully immersive virtual world based on that single thought. This isn't just automation. This is the industrialization of creativity. Think about it. A team of hundreds of artists, writers, and musicians would spend years bringing a world like that to life. Now, one person with one idea can direct an army of digital creators. The AI Dream Factory operates 24/7, turning raw human emotion into polished, finished content at a scale we can barely comprehend. It's a content explosion, a creative Big Bang happening right now. Is this the ultimate tool empowering a new generation of storytellers? Or is the tool becoming the storyteller itself? This revolution brings incredible opportunities. Imagine personalized movies where you are the hero, or educational content that adapts in real time to a student's curiosity. Artists can explore thousands of variations of their vision in the time it used to take to make one sketch. It's a democratizing force, giving anyone the power to create professional quality work without years of technical training. The barriers to entry for creating breathtaking art, music, and stories are vanishing before our eyes. But with this power comes profound questions. When an AI generates a masterpiece from a one-sentence prompt, who is the author? Is it the person with the idea, the programmers who built the AI, or the AI itself? And what happens to the concept of originality when millions of unique creations are being generated every single day from the same pool of human data? We're entering a hall of mirrors where AI reflects our own culture back at us, remixed and reimagined. Perhaps the biggest question is what this means for us, for our own creative spirit. Does the Dream Factory risk making our own skills obsolete? Will we become passive curators of AI-generated content rather than active creators? Or will it push us to new heights, forcing us to redefine what it means to be an artist, a writer, a musician? Maybe true human creativity isn't about the technical act of painting or writing. Maybe it's about the spark, the initial idea, the unique perspective, the emotional chord that even the most advanced AI can only ever imitate. The AI Dream Factory is here. It's not a distant future. It's the engine of our new creative world. It's thrilling, a little scary, and undeniably transformative. The one thing we know for sure is that the story of creativity will never be the same again. What do you think? Is AI the ultimate collaborator, or are we handing over the keys to our imagination? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into our rapidly changing world.